Want to create a custom client portal with SuiteDash? In this quick explainer, I'm going to show you how you can set up a personalized, professional client portal that streamlines communication, project management, and much more. But stick around until the end because I'll also share some powerful alternatives that could work even better for your goals and give you access to an exclusive extended free trial for one of them. First, let's jump into SuiteDash. SuiteDash is a comprehensive business management tool designed to help you create customized client portals. Whether you're working with one client or a team of clients, SuiteDash allows you to design a portal that fits your business needs. Here's how you do it. Next thing, you'll start by logging into your SuiteDash account and navigating to the Clients section. From here, you'll be able to access all your clients or create a new one. Once you have your client added, click on their profile and look for the Client Portal tab. This is where the customization begins. The fourth thing is customizing the look of the portal. You can modify the dashboard by using SuiteDash's built-in theme editor. Choose from different templates or go full custom. Upload your logo, choose brand colors, and even modify fonts to match your company's style. This is your chance to make it feel like your brand space. But don't just rely on visuals. SuiteDash lets you control the content, adding specific widgets like file sharing, task management, and communication tools. Next, add the tools you need. SuiteDash supports everything from invoicing and calendar management to document storage and task tracking. This means your clients won't just have access to a pretty interface, but will also be able to easily communicate and access everything they need. For example, integrating the file sharing feature allows clients to upload files directly to their portal, keeping everything organized in one central place. The next thing to consider is access control. You want to ensure the right people have access to the right information. SuiteDash lets you assign specific permissions for each client. You can restrict access to certain sections or enable full portal access. This adds another layer of security and customization. The sixth thing you'll want to know is automating processes. You can set up workflows that trigger specific actions based on client activity. Whether it's sending a reminder, generating an invoice, or creating a task, this automation saves you time and keeps everything moving smoothly. Now, before I wrap up, you should know about a crucial aspect of SuiteDash, the integrations. It offers a wide range of third-party integrations, from email marketing tools to CRM systems. This ensures you don't have to disrupt your existing tools to create a seamless workflow. But here's the thing, while SuiteDash is great for creating client portals, it's not the only solution out there. Other tools like Insert Alternative Tools here also offer customizable client portals, and they may be a better fit depending on your business needs. I'll talk about these alternatives in just a minute. And that brings me to something exciting. If you want to try SuiteDash or one of these alternatives, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial waiting for you. Use the link below to get started. Plus, I've included some amazing alternatives that might be better suited for your needs, also with a free trial. Check the description for more info and to grab the best deal possible. You won't want to miss out on these exclusive benefits.